Today we'll be talking about original numbers and how numbers are added, subtracted, divided, and multiplied. Okay. So meanwhile, while you are watching, I need you to also like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube. Okay. Thank you. So today we'll be talking about original numbers. Original numbers. Okay, and our numbers are added, subtracted, divided, multiplied. Okay, so we know that our numbers ranges from 0 to 9. That is the original numbers. Okay, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 0 to 9 are the original numbers, and all other numbers are gotten from these original numbers. So if you count the numbers, the figures that are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 figures that are here. So this implies that the base of these numbers or of every number naturally is 10. The 10-digit number that are here means that or implies that addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication of numbers are based on base 10. And what is base? The base of a number is always written as a subscript, and then the base of a number means a number that is more than the individual numbers given at least by 1. When the number, the base, is more than all the individual numbers given at least by 1, okay, is the base of a number. For instance, if I have 2, 3, and 6, okay, I said the number can be written as the base, like as a subscript. So if I write 7, 7 is more than 6, 3 is more than 2. So 7 can be the base of this number, but I cannot write 6, or I cannot write below 6. Alright. So this implies that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next number should be 10, and that is why that 10 is the base of every number. So addition, subtraction, division, multiplications of numbers, even in your computers, in your calculators, in your laptops, everywhere, whatever you do, they are computed based on base 10. For instance, if you are asked to add 25 plus 47, 25 plus 47, you know that you know your online tens and units. You are going to add 5 and 7, then later you add 2 and 4. But see how it works. 5 plus 7 is 12. You know that 5 plus 7 is 12, but 12 is more than the natural base 10. So since it is more than the natural base 10, you have to minus 10 from 12. So 12 minus 10. Why are we minusing? Because the 10, the base, is less than the number you have gotten here, 12. So 12 minus 10 is what? 2. And 2 is less than the natural base 10. So we can write down the 2. So we write down 2. Okay? And if you look at it, we minus 1 or we subtracted ones. So if you subtract ones, means that they are going to raise 1. So we raise 1. Again, 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus that one you raised is what? 7. And 7 is less than the natural base 10. So you can write it down. You write 7. So use a computer, use a calculator, you are going to see that it is computed based on base 10. That is why when you add 25 to what 47, it will be giving you 72. Okay, so secondly, if you are asked to multiply 25 to 15, 25 to 15, you know that we are going to use 5 to multiply 5 and 2. Then the next one, we use 1 to multiply 5 and 2. Okay, so if you use 5 to multiply 5, the answer is going to be 25. But 25 is more than the natural base 10. Since 25 is more than natural base 10, you minus. You take away 10 from 25. So 25 minus 10 is what? 15. And 15 is still more than the natural base 10. So you minus again. So 15 minus 10. I think 15 minus 10 is 5. But 5 is less than 10. So you can write it. So it's 5. So I'll write down 5. And I subtracted once, twice. Okay, I subtracted once, twice. So since I subtracted twice, it means I'm going to raise 2. Okay, so I'm going to raise 2. Again, 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 plus the 2 we raise is what? 12. So 12 is more than the natural base 10. Since 12 is more than natural base 10, you minus. Say 12 minus 10. And 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 is less than 10. Okay, so we can write 2 here. And because we minus once or we subtracted once, we are going to raise 1. The one we are raising, there is no other number 5 will multiply. So we are going to bring the 1 down. So we bring down the 1. Okay, the next one is we will use 1 to multiply 5 and 2. So 1 times 5, we are going to write it under 1 here, is 5. And 1 times 2 is what? 2. Okay, so at this point, we add it. We add the number. So we need to add the numbers. 5 plus 0 here is 5. 2 plus 5 here is what? 7. It's less than 10, so we can write it. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay? So 25 times 15. Use your calculator, use your computer. It is based on base 10. It's going to give you 375 because it is based on base 10. Are you getting it?